Hello everyone, today we're going to learn how we can edit photos using Microsoft Word. Most people think editing photos need sophisticated tools and softwares like Photoshop, but today we're going to see how we can come up with a good edited photo using Microsoft Word. So you start by opening Microsoft Word, then you go to Insert, you click on Insert, then Pictures, so you look for your picture, the photo you want to edit, so you click on it, then you click on Insert. So the photo will come, and the formatting options that will display. We can start by removing background. If you're not seeing the formatting options, the format options, you click on the word format in the main menu here so that you can see the options. So let's start by removing the background. Click on remove background. In case you don't need the background that has come with the image, so you click on remove background. It will highlight the background that it is intending to remove. So all these areas that are marked purple are the ones that are going to be removed. In case some areas have been marked or not marked and you want them to be removed, you click on mark areas to remove. So you click on mark areas to remove, and you come and draw the areas that you want to be removed as well. Yes, now the areas have been marked. Now I also want to mark areas to keep. I want to keep the hair, so I click on mark areas to keep. I draw on the hair. Yes, so it's unhighlighted. I click on keep changes. So I now have my photo without the background. So you can choose the correction that applies to you. So another element is color. In case you want to change the color of the image, you click on color and you choose from the different color options that are displayed. So in case you don't need the color, you can just leave it the way it was. Okay, so there is also artistic effects. If you want to add some art in it, you click on the options, the various options that will be displayed. Okay, so I've chosen that one. Another element is compress. The next one is compress. So to compress the image, you're either increasing its resolution or decreasing it to make it heavier or less heavier for downloading. So if you click on compress, you can choose various options if your image is going to be emailed, there's the option for email, then for websites, for print, and HD. So you choose the resolution depending on what you want to, the overall purpose of the image. So I'll choose web, then I click on OK. So you see the impact, it will change its resolution depending on what the overall purpose of the image is. So let's go to frame. You can also add a frame to your image. So on the frames, you can pick the one that works for you. So I click on that frame. I choose that frame. Then after, let's go to picture border. You click on picture border. You can give it a color. Still under picture border, there is where there is weight. You can increase or decrease the weight of the border. So I can give it a more depth. So that's how it will look. The next option is position. The next option is cropping. In case you want to crop out some of the parts of the image, you click on crop. They'll bring the mark for you to start marking areas that you want to crop out. So you use these marked areas. You can adjust them depending on what you want to achieve. Yes, after that you click just outside and you see the areas that you don't want have been cropped out. Yes. So after, if you've achieved your goal, you can save your image. You right click in the image, you go to save as picture, you give it a name. Can say girl, can say speaking. Then I save it on the desktop. I click on save and our image will be saved. Thank you. Hope you've enjoyed. You can keep on practicing editing photos using Microsoft Word.